First on Fox, court documents reveal the details behind charges filed here in Baltimore that landed rapper T.I. in custody.
Yeah, reports across the globe indicate this was a case of mistaken identity. But now local investigators are confirming a woman was in fact targeting the rapper.
Alexa Ashwell joins us live in studio with how legal experts say this incident highlights a flaw in the state's legal system. Alexa?
Yes, Kai, Mary, we're learning charges were in fact filed against the rapper T.I. and his wife, Tiny Harris. That's according to the Baltimore City State's Attorney's Office. A spokesperson confirms both cases have since been dismissed and the office is investigating. Here's a first look at those newly obtained charging documents you're seeing first on Fox. The defendant is listed as Clifford Joseph Harris, born September 25th, 1980, the same name and date of birth as rapper T.I. His address listed as the downtown Baltimore Renaissance Hotel. The woman wrote on June 4th, "I was hit and beat up, punched, stalked, and harassed, and Clifford pointed a gun at me." T.I. was taken into custody at an airport in Atlanta Sunday. He was released hours later after officials reviewed the rapper's travel itinerary during the time of the alleged incident. As you can see, the document was handwritten. The state's attorney's office confirms the complainant filed the charges directly with the Baltimore City District Court Commissioner, who then issued a warrant for Harris's arrest, and they weren't initially involved. The state's attorney's office released a statement that says, in part, "This case highlights a concern that the state's attorney has raised previously and uncovers legislative changes that should be considered to ensure fair and appropriate use of the court commissioner's office, including allowing input from our prosecutors before an arrest warrant is issued." A local attorney agrees the system is flawed.
The General Assembly needs to really take a hard look at the charging process through the court commissioner. They shouldn't be able to issue arrest warrants based on a citizen complaint. I don't think it's appropriate. A summons is more than enough.
Earlier this year, Delegate Jackie Addison introduced legislation that would prohibit a district court commissioner from issuing an arrest warrant to an individual other than a police officer or a state's attorney, and increasing the penalty for making a certain false statement or report. But it failed to make it out of committee. Today, the delegate told me this case is exactly what she was trying to prevent, and she plans to reintroduce the bill in 2026. The state's attorney's office says it's continuing to investigate the charges and warrant. Alexa Ashwell, Fox 45 News. Thanks for watching. I'm Alexa Ashwell. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel.